Hey everybody, I'm just here to give you a little introduction again to what you're going to be learning about for the next 2 weeks. It's set up the same as the way it had been in the past, where you can go through this at your own pace, however you want to do it. This week is again more review on table, graph, rule, and then a little bit of tile pattern relationship. We did that for a long time first semester, so hopefully this should be a lot of review for you. My dog Raj wanted to come on and say hi today too. Raj, can you give him a high five? Say, go do work, guys. Give him a high five. He really does give high fives, I promise. High five. High five. Okay, well that was a fail. Hopefully you guys can do well with this. If not, if you're struggling, hop on our Google Lives. I have all those links in the slideshow for you. If it's not working to click on it on the slideshow, please go to our Google Google Classroom, and up on the top, like underneath where it says 8th grade math, there's a link that says Meet link or something like that. You can just click on that and it'll take you right to our Google Meet for all that stuff. So he's out of there. I'm gonna get out of here too. See you guys later.